Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that Mukroh is very much within the state of Meghalaya. He was replying to a supplementary query raised by Voice of the People Party MLA from North Shillong Adelbert Nongrum at the question hour during the budget session of the Assembly today. He went on to say that Mukroh is under West Jaintia Hills district under the Luskin block and that the residents of the areas are getting benefits through the state government. VPP MLA from Nongkrem Arden Basayomoit raised a supplementary query as to the reason why people in the border areas are living in fear. In reply, the Chief Minister said that the incidents and different tensions from the border issue and that the border resolutions have not been reached. Sangma said that the government has taken steps to strengthen the forces within the borders and also to have continuous talks with the other side.
That has emboldened the counterparts even to outrightly claim Mukroh inside the Assam Assembly. So may I know what actually is the reason, sir?
And hence, as mentioned, that we have gone ahead and sanctioned new border outpost, new police stations, and we have enhanced the manpower, and all these different aspects and infrastructure work also will start there. So all these infrastructure in terms of security. So all these aspects will overall lead to ensure that our manpower and our police force is increased and our presence is felt so that there's a sense of confidence among our people. While we do that, it is also very important that we are continuously in touch with the other side.